Hello and welcome to another MyEd BC video tutorial. So I'm just going to log into MyEd BC. You notice that we've lost that panel on our pages where you can tell if your attendance is here, and then there's also the section on how to email. So there's a new process that you got to go through. We'd go to my gradebook. I'd pick one of my classes. So I go here and I'd copy the name of the class, the code for the class, and I go back to my students and I have students in my classes, and then you filter by course selection, and then I paste that in there, and then I go submit. And then from there I could go options and send email, and then it populates the emails, and I can choose students, contacts, which is their parents, and their teachers. Usually you're just going to use that, and you fill in your subject, and you fill in the email, and then you hit send. Thanks for watching.